First of all, a big hi to all my dear students. Today I am came with a new chapter, Reaping Gold from Soil. It comes under Standard 7, Chapter 1, Basic Science. Before going to the chapter, let us see something as introduction. Food is essential for all living organisms to live. We depend on plants and animals for food. So, caring the soil is much important. The increase in population has created much demand for food. The Green Revolution contributed to increased food grain production and the White Revolution contributed to increased availability of milk. So, we have to protect soil, plants as well as animals. So, in this chapter we are going to see how to reap gold from soil. One thing we already know is most plants grow from seeds. So, our first topic is related to this, that is seed quality. Let us see the things we should consider when we collect seeds. First one is collect seeds from mature plants. The second point, that parent plant must be high yielding. The third point, collect seeds from healthy plants. And fourth one is don't collect seeds from disease affected plants. Now let us see the modes of collection of some seeds. First seed is rice. Chaff is completely removed from the grains. Then the grains are dried well. Then the grains are kept stored in moisture-free wooden containers or gunny bags. Leaves of neem or strychnine are kept along with the grains to keep away pests. Pea seeds are also stored in same manner. Now, let us see some examples of transplanting after sowing and sprouting of seeds. They are chilli, brinjal, tomato and rice. Then, bitter gourd, okra, pea, rice are some of the examples of plants whose seeds are directly planted. Now we are moving to the second topic, sexual reproduction and vegetative propagation. In case of sexual reproduction, saplings are produced from seeds, where in case of vegetative propagation, saplings are produced from the root, stem or leaf of the parent plant. Now we are going to see the methods of vegetative propagation. First method is layering in air. Layering is a means of plant propagation in which a portion of an aerial stem grows roots while still attached to the parent plant and then detaches as an independent plant. Second type, that is Naga type of layering. This is layering of a branch that is close to the ground. It has both advantages and disadvantages. Let us see some advantages first. So, first one is layering is possible in many plants. Second advantage is saplings with the qualities of the parent plant can be produced. Now, their drawbacks are the size of the new plant will be small and the lifespan will be short. The second one is saplings are prone to the carriers of diseases. And third one, it requires more care. Now, let us see grafting. Grafting is a method of producing superior quality plantlets by joining the stems of two plants of same species. First step, collect a branch, that is same plants that are closely related. Second step, prepare the rootstock, that is the rootstock is the plant you will be growing your new branch onto. Carefully make a 2-inch sloping diagonal cut through a stem about 6 inches above the ground. Next, make a 1/2 inch deep cut straight down the stem about a third of the way down your sloping cut. Then the third step, match the branch. Make a sloping diagonal cut on the bottom of the branch you will place on the rootstock. Because you are splicing this branch on the main plant, the sloping cut needs to be the same size and angle as the cut you made on the main plant stem. Then about a third of the way down the slope of your branch, make a 1/2 inch deep cut up the branch to make the on the rootstock. Now the fourth step is bring them together. Carefully force the branch to slide onto the stem, lining up the cuts together. Make sure the two lines up as closely as possible. Then wrap the joint area with twine and cover with grafting bags available at your local garden center or nursery to keep the tissue from drying out. If the graft takes, your new branch will begin to grow in spring. 3 types of grafting are there, that is hip grafting, cleft grafting and approach grafting. Then what is budding? Budding, oftenly called bud grafting, is an artificial method of asexual or vegetative propagation in plants. Like grafting, this method is employed to convert one plant, that is the rootstock, into another plant type with desirable characteristics. Now we are moving to the third topic, that is hybridization. Hybridization is the method of producing new seeds through artificial pollination between plants of the same species but of different characteristics. Seeds with desired qualities are selected from this. The seedlings thus produced can have the desirable and undesirable characteristics of both the parents. Both of them have selected. Then they are subjected to repeated crossing and high quality offsprings are produced. Hybridization is done in animals also. Remaining things are there that we can see on the second part. Friends, today what we have learned is reaping gold from seeds, first part. I hope all of you understood this lesson. We will reach on the next part in this chapter. Bye.